So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert the binary digits online without any software. You don't even need to sign in over anywhere. Now just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for rapid table rapidtables.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and here you're gonna find this a different scale. Now here just simply go for the binary conversion, or you can do is just simply add a binary conversion over there, binary decimal to binary converter, and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Here just simply enter the binary digit of you which you want, sorry, the decimal digit of you which you want the binary value, and hit convert, and it will automatically generate the binary value for the equivalent decimal number. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.